How to find invite link on Discord server. If any day you would like to find the invite link on Discord server but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Discord application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device or manually search the very Discord application. After you find the very Discord application on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very Discord application. Now, in order to find the invite link, first of all, you have to tap on the very server that you want and then go to the three dots on the top. After you go to the three dots on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the settings there. After you tap on the option of the settings there, you can see an interface like this. You can then go to the option of the overview there. After you go to the option of the overview there, you can see the very link or the server name out there. Now, since we are just going to find out our very invite link and you would like to invite the person, you can go to the option of invite and then just go to the option of the copy the link or share the invite. After you tap on the option of copy the link, your very link or the invite link will be copied, and if you go to the option of share invite and tap on share invite, a very link will be created and you can just copy it and you can share it to any of the apps. If the like there, you can go to Snapchat, Instagram, Messenger, Drive, or any of the option there and send it to your friends. However, if you like to just find out the place where the invite links should be pasted, you can go to the plus icon on the top and then go to the option of join a server and you can paste your invite link here. And after you tap on the invite link here and go to the option of join with invite link, the very invite link will be pasted and you can join the very server with the help of the invite link. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.